In this tutorial, we're going to explain how to add the cart form to your website's shopping page using the WooCommerce product table plugin. First of all, add the cart form to the product table columns. For the cart form to be shown in the table columns, navigate to the Columns tab. Then, add new columns by clicking on the Add a Column button. By adding a new column, you can see a new box on the page with two sections: heading and set content. Since we aim to show cart form in the table column in this tutorial, we click on the Add Element button in the cell content box and selected the cart form element from the left panel. As soon as you add the cart form, you have access to two customization tabs in the element setting panel, which are General and Style. Now, let's see how we can customize this element. In the General tab, you can see a list of some default options for adding to the cart form and showing to your customers in the product table. The first option is Quantity Input Box. If you mark this field, a quantity box is added to the cart form, allowing your customers to increase or decrease the number of products to add to their carts. Add to Cart button. This field adds a button to the cart form, allowing the customers to add the products directly to their carts. Availability message. By marking this field, customers can see a message about whether the product is available to buy or not. Variation description. If you want to instruct your customers about the different product variations in the table, mark this option to let them see the description of selected variation. Variation price. You can show the price of each variation in the cart form by marking this item. The plugin automatically changes the price when the customer selects one of the variations. Variation attribute dropdown. You mark this item in case you want to let your customers choose one or more attributes of your products from a list. In this example, we marked the quantity box and we marked variations attribute dropdown and the Add to Cart button. Now let's check the results, and as you can see, the quantity box and Add to the Cart has been added. Personalizing the style of cart form in the table. In the Style tab, all necessary tools and options for tweaking the appearance of the cart form element in the product table are listed. You can change the font style, background color, border style, font color, and show the cart form to your customers with a stylish look. Alright, now we go ahead and change the background color to new color. Now let's go ahead and check the results on live preview, and as you can see, the background color has changed.
What?